In advance. Meaning. In advance means beforehand or ahead of time, indicating that something is done before a specified time or event. Definition. In advance is a phrase used to refer to actions that are completed or arranged before the expected time, such as preparing, informing, or paying before something is due or scheduled. Examples in sentences. 1. I paid for the tickets in advance to secure my seat. Here, in advance, means that the payment was made ahead of time to ensure the reservation. 2. They informed us in advance about the meeting schedule. In this sentence, in advance refers to informing beforehand, before the actual meeting. Usage. In advance is commonly used in contexts where early preparation or action is required, such as in planning, payments, or notifications before an event or deadline.
English practice.